Welcome friends. In daily Bitcoin technical analysis, I will do technical analysis and price prediction for BTC. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. If you are new on channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to favor me, if you want to join Binance Exchange or KuCoin Exchange, then go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange and KuCoin Exchange, Bybit Exchange and Hit BTC Exchange. All links are in this video's description and comment section. Let's dive into the content. This is Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour Gemini chart. Bitcoin, in my previous video, I was told you that maybe Bitcoin can go down to hit this level again, $34,500. And how beautifully Bitcoin did this. And after that, I was told you that Bitcoin definitely will pull back, and now Bitcoin pull back, and currently it is at $37,000. I was told you in my previous video that this is the main resistance area, strong resistance area, which is $37,600. If Bitcoin break this, in that case, definitely Bitcoin will hit this $39,000. This is the target of the descending channel. Here you can see Bitcoin was in descending channel, and I was told you that once it break this, then it can go down to retest this again, and after that it will pull back. Now it is pull back. Now the main area is the resistance area, $37,600. Once Bitcoin break this area, definitely 39,000 will be our first target. $40,500 will be our second target. Let me show you a very, very important thing. Let me please remove these lines. And after that, definitely I will show you a very important thing. Now Bitcoin is creating a W pattern. Here you can see clearly a W pattern and clearly a W pattern. Once Bitcoin break this neckline, in that case, price of the Bitcoin can go to, let me please show you. This is the neckline area. Once Bitcoin break this area, $41,200 will be the target. Minimum target, $41,000. Bitcoin can do this. But if unfortunately Bitcoin reject but if unfortunately Bitcoin fails to break this resistance level, in that case, maybe Bitcoin can go down to again hit these levels, and you can see some sideways action. All eyes are on this level, $37,600. Once Bitcoin break this level towards upside, in that case, $39,000. After that, $40,500 and $41,200. These are our targets. But if Bitcoin reject from $36,700 and if Bitcoin fails to break this zone, in that case, it can go down again to retest $34,000 area. Let me please show you. Possibility is that Bitcoin in this way, I think Bitcoin in this attempt, Bitcoin can break this. I think so. Bitcoin can break this. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon, and now it is turning as a support zone for the Bitcoin. That is very, very good sign. Let me please show you the volume. Volume is not very satisfactory, and currently volume is very less. This thing is not good. Maybe some sideways action we can see in Bitcoin. And once Bitcoin break $37,000, $37,600, definitely volume will come. According to the VPVR towers, there is very, very huge volume is at $37,700 and $37,500, $36,900, $38,300, and $38,500 and $38,900. This is the area where all buying and mostly buying and selling orders are pending. And once Bitcoin break this zone, in that case Bitcoin may be struggle because of this VPBR towers, and because this blue line indicates these blue area of the towers indicates that there are more buying volumes, and these yellow area of the VPBR towers are showing that there are less selling orders. That is why I am very much sure that once Bitcoin break $37,000, $37,500, $37,600, definitely I think so it is going to hit $39,000, $40,500, and $41,200. These are the targets. And if unfortunately Bitcoin fails again, because Bitcoin rejected in this area very many times, here you can see Bitcoin rejected, Bitcoin rejected, Bitcoin rejected, Bitcoin rejected again, and now Bitcoin is trying again to break this zone. Once Bitcoin break this zone, definitely it will hit my targets, and this is my technical analysis. If you like this, then please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange, Bybit Exchange, then please go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. This is the Binance Exchange link. This is KuCoin Exchange link, and there are also Bybit and Hotbit links. You can click on these links and create your accounts. In that way, you can support this channel. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. Take care.